Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Barley Ray again today. She's going to be my little helper. We are just back to have a little bit more fun and do another nail design. Bearing in mind this was my first attempt at doing a blooming gel like tinted rose flower, so please don't hate. It's just my first go at it and I'm sure we can get a little bit more detail and create a much more intricate version of this. But if you're a beginner, then this is the perfect video for you because it does look like a rose. It does look like a rose. It looks like a rose and it was really easy to do. I think all I used was like 3 of our products and that was it. I was really happy with how it turned out. Like I said, I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I am still new to doing really intricate nail art. I haven't been, I'm a nail tech and I've done actual nails for years.
No, I'm a nail tech.
Are you a nail tech?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're nail techs. So the art side of it is something that is still relatively new to me, so I'm just doing my best. It's only a quick one, so we'll get straight into it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Right guys, let's get into it. So we're going to do 1 coat of serious black all over the nail to begin, and then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Then going in with blooming gel, you're going to do a layer of that all over the nail. Keep it nice and smooth, not too thick. You just want a nice even coat of that all over the nail. Don't cure it because we're going to go in with Snow White. So grab yourself a nail art brush and we are going to basically do 2 half circles on top of each other here. You'll see me doing that in a second. There we go. And now you're going to do 2 bigger ones off to the side and hugging those inner lines first, and this is going to start to create the inner part of our rose. Because I'm not confident enough to do this in one shot, we are going to go in with another layer of blooming gel. I did cure the white that I'd already done for 60 seconds. Then we're going to take more white, and in the opposite side to our last line that we did, we are now going to go in the opposite direction to each other and just swish back and forth across the top and the bottom of the nail like so. I just want to point out that how gorgeous are our pigments in these shades. They are absolutely beautiful. For a white to be this pigmented and a black also with 1 coat is just incredible, and it's quite hard to find, so definitely grab yourself the Snow White and Serious Black because for your nail art designs that is all you're going to need. As you can see, I did cure the initial lines that we did and I'm going back in with the white again now and just adding a very fine line of highlight on the inner side of all of our bloomed lines. I know I said lines so many times just then, but if you get my drift, I'm just basically highlighting each mark that we did before. Back onto the subject of how great these gels are, I can now offer you a 10% discount by using the code StyledByMeb10 over on the website. So if you go down on the description box below, there is a link to the website, and when you go to purchase your order, you can just tag that little code in there and that will give you 10% off your next order. I'm almost finished now with my highlighting and you can see it really does look like a flower. I have decided to go in with Courtesan and base coat here. I've mixed the 2 together to make a really nice transparent red tint. And I think actually this shade Courtesan was actually perfect for the rose look. You can make it darker and lighter as you wish, but I was quite happy with how this came out. Okay, so that's the finished look. I know it could be more detailed, but it was my first ever attempt and I was really pleased with how it came out. It definitely looks like a rose, and I think what I'm going to do next time is just really focus on where I place my lines, thick and thin, and also some highlighting, because now looking back I could have definitely done some more. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.